Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this cactus paint kit. First, I'm going to go in with the lime color that's provided, and I'm going to paint my two succulents at the bottom. And in these paint kits, you're going to get everything you need. So you'll get the brushes, a Sharpie marker, the paint, and the cutout. So you can pretty much just get this product and be able to complete your project. It's great. I went in with the darker green to paint my cactus. And then next I'm going to go in with hot pink and just hit my flowers. And then I'm going to just blend a little bit of the soft pink in through them. Following that, I'm going to begin to paint my pot. So I'm going to use hot pink for the stripe that's in the center. And then I'm going to go in with this teal color for the base of my pot. Following that, I'm going to go in with limeade, or this lime color, for the last part of the pot. And then I'm going to allow everything to dry. So I do go in with a Tecpo heat gun, and just kind of speeds things up drying wise. But if you don't have a heat gun, you can just let it sit for a while and dry naturally. However, if you do want to invest in a heat gun, I really have loved this one. It definitely speeds things up. Now I'm going to go in with the smallest brush in the pack and this lime color, and I'm going to go over all of these little pricklies on my cactus. Following that, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And so the most important thing to remember with your Sharpie marker is just to make sure that everything is completely dry. Otherwise, the Sharpie marker won't go on very well. But as long as everything's dry, this Sharpie marker makes everything so easy, just like holding a pen, so you have a lot of control over it. Just going to outline my flowers there, and then I'll begin to outline the bottom. This kind of starts making everything come together. And then I'll finish it by going in with the number 4 round, which is the smallest brush in the pack, and some white paint, and just highlight everything. This kind of just brightens everything up and gives it a finished look for me. So that'll complete this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kit.